Alright, and we are playing Luckyest. Luckyest? Yeah. There's 10 achievements for this game. I'm not really sure how this is going to go. It's going to be interesting, to say the least. Oh, we got a guy talking to us again. Hey, I'm Chuck. I'll guide you through this. Right now, you have no money to help you start. I'm giving you $10. Thanks. Your goal is to grow this money through investments and become richer than Ola and Dusk. To begin, press the glowing Luckiest button. That's where your first investment starts. Vending machine. Alright, here's your first step. See the 3x3 grid? That's your scratch board. Be careful though, every reveal costs you some money. Sometimes you'll find items that add to your wealth, others, well, will be poorer. Go ahead, start okay. Interesting. Miss. Okay. Huge. That was great. That was great. Hit. There we go. We got something. First return. Get your first return. Pretty self-explanatory achievement, to be honest with you. Okay. We're not making any money a second right now. So there's 5 waters in here, dude. Just there we go. Okay, we can buy that. First account, start a fixed deposit. This is going to be an interesting situation. Alright, let's just... It was only like a second for you guys, but I was AFK for a bit longer. I'm going to do double... It's a really good one. Interest rates? Why did I... That was kind of stupid of me. It's fine. How does this work? So if we do 15, right? I'm confused. Like, really confused right now. If we do 10... I just don't understand how this is working here. I mean, no complaints. Let's see. Grid size would be nice, but will we upgrade that? How do I unlock this? Okay. Does not tell me. Noted. How does... So if I do this, can I go to 20? Should we just save like... I'm gonna save like 50. Let's just see what happens. Let's just do 35. We'll do 35. I'm confused. How... I don't understand how this is working. What's the difference in the amount that we invest is my question. Is it just the amount of money I'm bringing in with me? I mean, it's what I definitely assume here, but does not make much sense to me. Because I don't really understand... I just don't understand. There's definitely something I'm not... 3% chance. So there's a chance there's just nothing? I'm lost. Oh wow, that's a stacked machine. I think it's just the amount that I can bring in with me. So... we need... Double would be good. Go ahead and double it. Save back up again. Yeah, it's literally just the amount that I bring in with me, which does make sense. I don't know why you wouldn't go into this with a good amount of money then. Because it kind of defeats the purpose otherwise. Because you're not going to get everything. Let's see. This is one of the moments I wish I had my auto clicker on, because this is just clicking. I'm going to get up to 100. I don't think it matters. I can just clear the board repeatedly. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, either one's good, right? Because if I do this, it should go. Okay. So it's 8 seconds. This is the other. Okay. We're gonna let this just kind of stack for a second. Is there any achievement that might pop when I get up for a second? No, we should be alright. Alright. Alright, and we're gonna go ahead and buy the long-term investment. Cash will be. Oh. Yeah? Was that a bad idea? They didn't even give. That was a waste, by the way. Oh, there's no way I just did that. Yikes. Huh. So, my question is, why was I able to redo the reset if it wasn't possible to do anything with it? Like, that's all I'm wondering. Like, it's fine that it happened, but, like, I'm just kind of confused. There you go. I guess. I don't know. That really sucks, though. Yeah, we bring in 10. Actually, we only need to bring in 9 for this one, though. Then we can clear the board. And we're guaranteed to make money back. And more, so we can just kind of spam the screen here. Yeah. Let's see, we can buy double, making 1 per now, nice. Let's see, reinvest. We just gotta rinse, repeat this cycle a ton of times, to be honest. Okay. So, bring in 9 again. It's quite literally just a rinse, repeat cycle. Which, that's how all these games are, mind you. So. But, yeah. Reinvest, just keep going for a bit. Because we make 10, 15, yeah. It's just a larger... Can I do both of these? I can't. This is more important, I know that. So if it's 200 next... Probably upgrade both of those, and if the grid size is up, that means we need to do, like... Is it 15? No, it's 16. Yeah, it was one off. I didn't think about that enough. Whoops. Alright, so if it's 16, now we just go rinse repeat the cycle here. Because once again, one hit equals us getting our money back. Like, quite literally us just getting that chip bag, and then everything else is profit. Now there's 2 chip bags. This is an insane run. Okay. We have enough now. Don't really want that. I don't want to get the next thing, though. But in order to do that, I, of course, need to... Yeah. 16, go back to investing. It's not really... I don't know. This is an interesting... I wouldn't say concept. I mean, yeah. Yeah. It works. It works. I'm skipping that one, that one. Okay, I have enough to double you again. 16 a second. That's going to be a really good one to have, though. Especially because I could go for another one, technically speaking. But I am going to buy the next vending machine instead. So I don't really want to... I don't think it matters which vending machine I'm on, but at the same time, I feel like it would affect it a bit. I mean, let's see. It's 100 per. But that's a huge difference. Or that's our investment. Invest in stocks. In the stock investment, you might find a penny with 10% chance or blue. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, looks like you found nothing. Tough luck. That happens sometimes. Not every scratch pays off. If you want better chances, invest with more money. Remember, higher risk can bring higher reward. Okay. Yeah, no, that was a stupid decision by me anyway, to be honest. Okay. Now we can do this a few times. We just kind of go back to farming the same machine. I'm about to sneeze. Sorry about that. I'm not sure how much that gets picked up on the recording. That was kind of a terrible run. That was weird. My mouse moved on its own there. Not sure what that was about. There we go. Wow. I broke even. Let's go. Oh. It's profit. I was gonna say getting the coins just is huge no matter what there. Oh wow. We got an achievement coin there. I got find a prestige coin. That was like a perfect run right there, by the way. Hey, you found a unique coin. That's not cash. I did a little digging against prestige coin. These coins don't give instant money, but they are super valuable. You can use them... Okay. Yeah, because I messed up. Did not have one when I did the first reset. Because I'm a bit stupid, clearly. But, yeah. Nonetheless. Okay, that's enough. Now we can go back in here. Blue coin is there. I really should not continue the run after that. It's probably a better decision. How many prestige coins can I find in one run? That's what I'm wondering. There we go. We have our 500 stacked. How about actually we go in with 1,000? We need 900. Actually, no. We need 6. That kind of sucks, though. Yeah. We're still fine. Don't get me wrong. What was I gonna say? The issue isn't us getting something, it's that we need... Is 1,000 enough? Because it's 50 per, right? So I guess it really doesn't matter, because then you can just do this. There we go. And you make I made 1,000 there, which that's not going to happen every run. Oh, wow. I was going to say, I'm quite literally clicking everywhere it isn't. But if one of those coins, like for example, this run right here, as soon as it allows us to leave, we're just going to leave. Because we're more likely to lose money, I guess, on that one. Yeah. Upgrade this once, upgrade this twice. That's just 482 a second. Very good for us. And I can just wait, and we can do this upgrade again. Bam. Then we can wait, and we can upgrade it again. Realistically, should I be just doing this upgrade over and over again? Maybe not. Now I know I want to farm a lot of these coins before we even remotely think of a different decision there. Withdraw. I'd rather just take the loss there. This is a fine run because it's profitable. Although that 1,000 doesn't even really do much for us at this point, to be honest. Because we can kind of just... Waiting on this. And double it again. That's max, so now we're making 2.5. I'm going to max this out real quick. Done. I don't really need any of this stuff here. This doesn't matter. We should probably focus this, though. 0.9k next. Let's go and get that. Last upgrade's 133k, which is not something we can afford. Not for a while, at least. This is an important upgrade, though. Because we'll have a 10% chance. And that's actually really good for us. Okay, if we upgrade this... Is this everything? Double to fix them? Yeah. So when we upgrade this once, it should scale... Oh, it's not the same, right? Also, this is different anyway. I'll do the grid twice. So now what that means though is we need to bring in let's say 4k. This is almost like a guaranteed net loss is the crazy part. Like, we're kind of just rinse repeating to see if there's any, Okay. I'm gonna say, let's not give me terrible luck here. We'd be rinse repeating purely to try to get any of the tokens. We got the next area unlocked. Prestige coins here. If I get this to 10%, and the reason why I say that is, if we don't upgrade the grid, we're more likely to kind of be able to farm it. Is at least my thought process for it. Which I don't really know. Also, I just realized something. And I could be wrong on this. If I... Hold on a second. Do these... Because we don't sell these, do we? This is just added on our passive income, I think. Unless I'm wrong. I could be wrong. But I still want to see. Is this similar to... No, it's okay. Well, never mind for that idea. I was wrong. Okay. What do you want to say? Is this retail investment? You might find a shop with a 15% chance of... Okay. I just lost it all. Holy. 9K loss there. Okay. Okay. Like, absolutely. Okay, so that's terrible money-wise. Coin-wise, if the game can make up for it enough, then it's not a big deal. Like, right there, that's a good run. Even if we don't make profit, as long as there's a coin there, I don't really mind. Because if we could farm like 100 coins or something, if there's no coin, we just leave. Of course, it's the last one I click. Even if we take losses, though, we are gaining stuff passively. Go back out. Back into the run. Next. 100 tokens is insane to even think about trying to get to, though, to be fair. Next one's... That's... Should I just reset now? I don't know if I should. Maybe I do, though. Because we have 5. And realistically, the first one, they expect you to just instantly reset. Yeah, I'm going to reset. To reveal another investment. That's good. Value returns. That twice. Man, this is gonna kind of suck, though. It's not like a terrible rinse repeat situation, but it also just isn't the greatest. Lucky Blast, what does that mean? I don't know. That's a great question. I gained a lot of money off of that, is all I know. Weird. I don't know what that came from, to be honest. It must have been something I upgraded without noticing. And I had to have been. Let's see. Nice. So what we're looking for it to say... Oh no, the luck thing is just like it hitting a different point. So how did I make so much? What? I'm making a lot right now, and I don't understand what it's from. That is super weird to me. So what, if I just keep... Is it when there's a deposit I make 1,000? Is that what's happening? I feel like that has to be what's happening. And I think that's one of the upgrades I did in the first place. So it makes sense. It's just I didn't expect for that to be the case. Okay, do this 10 times. Oh, wow. That, if I can upgrade that a lot more, then I'd be pretty content. Okay, there's 3 of those things in here, dude. Other one's here. Nope, here. Either way, we'll take it. Yeah, see, like, we made a ton from that. Like, where is this money even coming from? Like, I don't understand. It's so confusing to me. Like, I shouldn't have that much money being made. Should I? Like, I'm so confused. One of those upgrades I did, like, majorly impacted this. I don't know what it was. Also, I don't know why I'm still doing any of that. So I think no matter what, I'm gaining money here. Because I'm gaining 1,000 from the game itself. Like, how do we have 77k now? I'm so lost on what's happening when I'm in those. Like, what? Like, it genuinely just not make any sense to me. Because, like, if I go back in here... Okay. Terrible run, by the way. How much do we have? We have... What? What is... I don't get it. I don't get it. Also, what's the deposit here? Like, how do I... Is that just like... Okay, wait. Wait. If I were to... I'm gonna pull this up on the other monitor. Auto clicker. Let's check the speed. There we go. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go here. We're gonna do this. Does this matter at all? I feel like it doesn't. Am I still gonna check anyway? Yeah. I'm trying to understand. You guys think this is gonna work? I don't think it's gonna work. Alright. We're gonna get to 2,000 here, and then we're gonna exit. Or not, okay. Make sure not to click off the page. Go in here, right? Okay. I want to say the investment matters here. So, like, if I go in here, I don't know, just a few times in general, we'll do that. We'll go out. Now, what does this cause? It's just this stuff, right? I'm so lost. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know. Like, do we want to save for this, or do we want to upgrade? Like, probably upgrade this twice, right? Because it's the more important thing. That's in stocks. So we'd want to upgrade that. Then I'd want to upgrade this. I don't want to upgrade the grid size yet, though. Because, like, the thing is... Yeah, because it's the items I have. What? Man, I'm so confused. It's actually insane. Okay. So if we just... Yep. Even if we lose, we just spam it. It's fine. Okay. I'm gonna exit out now. We, like, barely made money that... What? Dude, I'm so confused on how this works. So if I go in here... Mind you, we're not making barely anything off the other one. I exit. What? Am I just stupid? Is that what's happening? Because, like, I don't understand. I genuinely don't. Also, I don't know how much money needs to be here. We'll just put 4,500 and go back in. I think that was a good decision. And we make a ton of profit off of that. How? I could not tell you. I mean, it's 50 per. So, like, it does make sense, but... So... Man... Like, I don't get it. The chance is the same, right? 13. For 3 to spawn. So this would be the better one to do. Here's the issue, though. Is it per coin I pick up, or is it in general the... Okay, I think I know what's happening. And I could be wrong, but I don't know if this is the same as other games. Because what it might mean is I can only get 3 of those tokens from that dedicated machine. It's either that or it's... Because we've gotten 2. Did I get one earlier? I don't know if I got one earlier. We'll just have to kind of see, to be honest. I'm not seeing another one, which means we probably got them. So we have 5. Yeah, I think that's how that works. I think it's area to area. So that means I should reset again. All return investments. That just sounds so nice. Chance to double the return. I want to just do 5 into this. I'm going to just do this. For in each invest, really good upgrade. Okay. I'm going to rinse repeat this cycle a few times, and then we will, I'll see you guys on achievement, most likely. Reach 1 mil, just that, something like that, yeah. In this real estate investment, you might find a house with a 15% chance, hotel with 10%, chance of a tower for 5. The houses should be very big pays. That's why, yep, reach 1 million, millionaire. And is why we continued, because we did do a prestige, which is a huge, huge upgrade for us. Because now anything in here should be major hits. Because now I don't even really need to worry about the money as much. We also got 2. There should be 6 in here. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get the other ones. This will be 3. This will be... Nope, never mind. Somehow got them both instantly. That's cool. And if we get 50 mil, then we can get the other area too. This is 4, by the way. This will be 5. And then our final one, which we probably won't get right here. I was going to say, usually you'll get a few in a row and then it, like, kind of stabilizes for a second, and then you'll get another one. Especially because I haven't done the upgrades for this area. So the odds are whatever the base odds are for it, which aren't that low. Did I already get 6 and I wasn't counting right? I think I wasn't counting right. Well, actually, no. It was 2. Because we had 9 before we got here. No, we should be missing 1 still. Okay, something's off here. Maybe I didn't count right. Let's check after this run. Oh. Yeah, no. We're still 1 off. I mean, let's just max that out real quick, and let's go back in and get my last coin. As long as we get 1 hit during this, then we can go into the next. There we go. Alright, that is all the coins we need. I'm not going to bother with that. Let's go ahead and reset. What do we want to do here? So I'm maxing this out because that's a 20% chance. That's really good. Okay, is that? Then we only have 2 left. Chance of double total returns. Probably going to do that. Alright. And we go back to farming. Wait, there's a coin in here? What? That's not supposed to be there. That's not necessarily a bad thing. There's 4 in this now? What? Okay. I mean, I'm not complaining at all, because that's actually really nice. So we got 1. I need to get 3 more. Let's see. What I'm going to probably do is I'm going to farm up to our next prestige. And I will see you guys then. Alright, and we are prestiging again, or rebirth, whatever you want to consider it. I'm going to buy this. Let's go ahead and just max this out. Let's also max this out. Can't max that out. That's going to be too expensive. Why didn't I do that? That was a bad decision there. That is fine. Oh, did I? Yep, I messed up and we're going to lose a token. Nice, nice. How did I manage that? I don't know. With stuff upgraded now, though, that does mean we should be hitting huge numbers here. Basically, what we want to do is we rinse, repeat. It's going to be a lot of resets, but also we're not billionaire. A billion, which I want to say we're not actually. It was wait. 1 trill. Okay. 1 trill might be hit or miss. We'll have to see. So what you want to do is this. Do this. Basically, what we want to focus on is getting the tokens. It's only a 4% chance right now. That doesn't sound right. I mean, that's 1. Alright, I'm going to go back to farming the tokens for a bit, and I will see you guys on the next prestige. In this mining investment, you might find coal with a 16%, silver with a 11%, and gold with an 8%. The important part is how much it gives me, which is a absurd amount. Can I upgrade the... There we go. We're not going to go to the next area, but I do want to get the 9 coins that are in this one. And after these 9 coins, we will end up resetting again. I mean, honestly, with the amount of money we're making, I mean, it depends how much is a gold. Maybe. It really depends, because we might be able to go to the next area. It's going to definitely be super close. But then there's the issue of having the money to actually do the area. But for this one, it actually wasn't that expensive. So the next I could imagine is probably just going to be like 1 mil per run or something. So it won't be anything absurd. Also, we need 34 of the prestige things before we're at our max. So we need 5 more from here. Now we need 3 more. There's a chance in 1 run we'll get all of those. We had 1 run where it was 4 of the tokens in 1. Okay, we need 2 more. The gold's really nice. Yeah, we're going to be able to go to the next area. I think it was 250 mil. It might have been more. If it's more, then we won't be able to, but I'm pretty sure it was. In that case, we'll be definitely chilling. Did I miscalculate the amount? Because we're not seeing any more prestige tokens. And usually they're somewhat common. Maybe I did miscount. Let's do one more, though. Nope, that's the last two we needed. Doesn't even matter. Alright, cool. Okay, 34, go to the next area. Prestige probability, max that as much as we can. This is another 10, so 44? Amen. Investment, you might find 16% government with 8. Yep. Either way, we're making profits, so it does not matter. That's 2. That's 3. It's 4. It's 5. That's 7. I was going to say, eventually we're not going to see any of them in a run or two, but we're looking for 3 more. I don't know how expensive the next area was. Did I look? I might have looked and I'm just blanking memory-wise, but I would assume it's probably $1 billion-ish. Maybe $1 billion on the dot. That's what I'm guessing, which we might actually have almost enough at this current rate. Were we missing one? Are we good? I'm gonna check. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Yeah, next is a bill. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and reset. Investments capped. That's a need. Max that out for the time being. I should have did that, but... Oh. This is actually really good, though, for us. Because what that means is I can go back through this area and we'll just grab as many things as we can. But what we want to do is, now that we're keeping stuff, we upgrade the grid size. Honestly, we just upgrade up everything. That's going to be our first thing we do real quick. Upgrade everything that we can. If it can be maxed or if it can be upgraded, we're upgrading up. There we go. It's a few million a second now. 3 mil. This can just keep going. Alright. Time to start doing these. I was going to say, the one positive is all of the prestige tokens should almost be instantly revealed. Or not instantly revealed, but should pop up. Because it's that % chance for each slot that's in the machine, I think. Or is that overall? I don't know. There's only one this time, so maybe we just got lucky the first run. Or is that our last one we needed? How many can I get from this? It is 6, yeah, never mind. We got all the ones from that area pretty quick, and I got all of these first try. Okay. That's insane. So can I just rinse repeat runs pretty quick now? I think that's basically what the game's telling me. Yep, that's all of them. And I can even upgrade that one thing at some... Next area is 10. I'm missing one. I should be at 9, 17. No, never mind. I'm wrong. I thought I was. I think that's for later runs, and I wasn't paying attention. So it's 7. We need 3 more. Wonder if upgrading that percent chance is worth. Realistically, it's not. Kind of just thinking out loud for a good amount, which I mean that's kind of how you got to do the videos, but you know. Let's see, do this. Yeah, that's all from that area. 11 from the mining area. Mining area's grid's not upgraded. X that out, X that out, X that out, X that out. Oh, wow. I didn't think we could do that, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how many I'm missing from this. Well, I think that's all the ones I'm missing, because we got 2 the first run, didn't we? If not, we're missing like 1, so it's fine. Alright, that area is done. Cool. Alright, and now we can do the next area. 12 of them. We got 11 of them first run. This game did actually progress pretty quick, which I'm pretty happy about that. Because sometimes the games won't progress like how you'd expect them to. This one kept its pace. Reach 1 billion. Awesome. And that also means we can do the next area. Which that is a huge thing for us. Okay, 13 of those. Hey man, in this crypto investment you might find Tether with 17%, Ethereum with 12, Batcoin 17, okay. So 1. Can I upgrade the radius at all? Okay. The grid can almost be upgraded enough. Which I think right there should be enough anyway. Maybe not. Actually, the odds of it popping up isn't upgraded. That's 5 of them. I'm not keeping track this time though, so I'm probably just going to go until we have a run where they don't show up at all. Bad timing to say that because I know we're missing at least like 3. I'll do 1 more. There's 2. I'll take it. I don't know how many we're missing from here, but it can't be many, so we'll just reset. Unless I can go to the next area. 75 bill. That is not happening. Noted. Because there is just no way that is... Yeah. Alright, go ahead and reset. Now, what do we want to do? We want to do that. I'm just going to focus all the other upgrades right now, I'm not going to lie. That's just so much to make. There's 8 here. On 3. Alright, so what I'm going to do is... Whoa. Oh no, it's 600. Okay. I thought that was way more. It has a ton of points for some reason. Alright. I'm going to farm or prestige a few times. And I'm going to see you guys once we get to the next area. Okay, apparently we can go into the next area right now. This venture capital investment, you might find seed fund, 22%, unicorn with a 33, a 34. It's a good amount. Let's see. The only downside here is I need to upgrade the grid. Not as big of a downside as I was thinking it would be. Okay. We also make a absurd amount from this place. So it's a positive. Alright, now we just... I think I'm going to do that upgrade that increases the odds of prestige coins, so that we can just do one run in each area, rinse, repeat. Because, like, when you don't get them guaranteed, it kind of just is just slows the process down, I guess. Because the more important thing is the prestige upgrades, which I think this is it. So I can prestige after this. Okay. Max out everything. Passive income reach 1 billion per second. Oh, awesome. What is the next area? Okay. Go on prestige. Sure, I'll grab that. What is this? Oh, wow. Kind of insane. Where was that upgrade? Thought I was blind for a second. I was like, where did it go? 5 seconds. Passive income. Upgrade that. Let's go back. Okay. If we go here. Okay, there's 18 of them. We find them all. Okay, perfect. That might not happen in every area. The area that is super important that feature works very well on is going to be the first area. And the reason for that is everything else in that area. I got 17 here. I think I needed 19? Or not 19, 18. No, never mind. I was wrong. Alright, this area is 16. Yeah, I think we're as guaranteed to find all of them now, though. So that's at least good. Because our odds are actually super high. So I don't really know why I'm too worried about it at that point. Especially because worst goes to worst, one area just isn't guaranteeing what we need, so we just skip over that area. Such as this. We got 9. Or not 9, we got 10. We needed 14. If it only takes 2 attempts, that's fine. Close enough. I think we're missing 1. Maybe. Or was it 13? We got... Yeah. Or it was 14, we got 10. Yeah, no, we're good. This is 13. Yep. That first area is going to be a pain. I already know it. Okay, we need 12. Got him. Awesome. Okay, onto the very first area. Let's see. Is there... Nope, there's 4. Yep, I figured. It's just because everything else has such high chances as well. So it's 6 of them. Or, that was 4 of them. This is... Okay, we got them all in 2 runs. It's fine. Oh, I did not mean to do that. It's fine. I can buy the next area. I think I can max everything else out as well without an issue. Nice. Let's go ahead and let's get the 19 of these. In this nuclear, you might find oil 32, wind 27, nuclear. Okay. Luckily, man, I don't need any of that because I got my prestige tokens first try. The earlier or the later stages, you're almost guaranteed because everything else has a low % chance. Also, I can buy those. I don't think we can max anything out here, though. Let's go ahead and just go in here. Oh, got the achievement, invest in NFT. In this NFT investment, you might find a rare NFT with a... Okay. And I got a trillion in one run. Reach 1 trillion. No, wait. That's the game, because that's all achievements.
Right.
I do want to go ahead and just upgrade this stuff real quick anyway. That, I did not expect that to be done right now. Done. Needs 1. I'm gonna rebirth here. So yeah. Yes, we need 100. Alright, let's get these 100. I'm just gonna do the later stages. We don't need to do this because we obviously the achievement's already done, but I like finishing out the game when it comes to this. $19 of them. Awesome. 18. We'll be at 60. It's fine if we skip over some areas because it should fill in depending. Sometimes it doesn't though. But. And after we spend this 100, I would do the other upgrades, but we don't need to, I don't think. I could be very wrong. I haven't looked back at the achievements. Because we might actually need another achievement. But I want to say it was 1 billion a second. I don't think they went to a drill. If they did, then we'd have a lot of upgrades I need to do. Which I'm going to look at that real quick after this section. Want to say the game's 100% of. Yes, it is. Great, awesome. Let's go ahead and do this. Do this. Exit out. Go ahead and buy this. Well, look at you. Congratulations. The new Forbes list is out, and guess who's sitting right at the top? That's right, you. You even managed to knock Olin Dusk off his high horse. Now that's no small feat. From luckiest to wealthiest. What a wild ride it's been, huh? And trust me, this is just the beginning. Oh, wow. Buzz Jezos? Fire. Fire. You know, we kinda cooked here. Holy, 19 trill? I am way higher, but way higher here. Alright. Thanks for playing. Look at you, a trillionaire already. Too bad money doesn't buy happiness. Just maybe this goofy little game you did. If it made you smile, I'd love if you dropped a review. I may not be rolling in trillions, but knowing you had fun is priceless. Awesome. Alright, well that was Luckyest. I hope you guys enjoyed the game as much as I did, and I will see you guys in the next video.